Welcome to this tutorial on how to find the activity page on Temu. Temu is a popular e-commerce platform that offers a wide range of products at affordable prices. The activity page is a useful feature that allows you to track your orders, monitor your account activity, and stay up to date with the latest promotions and deals. To find the activity page on Temu, start by logging into your account. If you do not have an account, you can create one by clicking on the Sign Up button and following the registration process. Once you are logged in, click on your profile picture or username at the top right corner of the page. This will take you to your account dashboard. From the account dashboard, click on the Activity tab. This tab is usually located on the left-hand side of the page or at the top of the dashboard. The Activity tab may be labeled as My Activity, Account Activity, or Order History, depending on the device and platform you are using. Once you click on the Activity tab, you will be taken to the Activity page. On this page, you can view a list of all your recent activities, including orders, payments, and account updates. You can also filter your activities by date, type, or status to quickly find specific information. In addition to viewing your activities, the activity page also allows you to track your orders and monitor the status of your shipments. You can click on an individual order to view more details, including the order total, shipping address, and estimated delivery date. To get the most out of the activity page, it is a good idea to regularly check your account activity and update your account information as needed. This will help you stay on top of your orders and ensure that your account is secure and up to date. In summary, finding the activity page on Temu is a straightforward process that involves logging into your account, clicking on your profile picture or username, and selecting the Activity tab from the account dashboard. By following these steps, you can easily track your orders, monitor your account activity, and stay informed about the latest promotions and deals on Temu.